Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is bringing another great opportunity for you, a fully funded internship program in Japan, the OIST Internship Program 2021. Applications are now open to apply for the fully funded OIST internship in Japan. The OIST internship in Japan will be held at the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology. This internship is fully funded, all costs will be covered including accommodation and travel. The plus point is that IELTS and TOEFL is not mandatory. The duration of the OIST internship will be between 2 and 6 months, usually 10 to 12 weeks. There will be no extension in the internship program. Students from all over the world are eligible to apply for the internship program in Japan. This is a paid internship program. The internship in Japan is for international students. This is a great opportunity to explore Japan and complete the internship too. You may also discover the door to your future career. Undergraduate and graduate students can apply for the OIST internship. The deadline to apply for this internship program is 15 April 2021. Eligibility criteria for the OIST internship program. Students enrolled in undergraduate and postgraduate programs can apply. Recent graduates of such institutions are also eligible to apply. Currently enrolled students must have the approval of their home institution. If you are currently a student, confirm with your institution. Students enrolled in the undergraduate program 3rd and 4th year and those of masters 1 and 2 years are encouraged to apply. The benefits of the OIST internship program: round-trip tickets, visa support, accommodation on campus and off campus, support displacement, and the research stipend. The required documents for application at the OIST internship in Japan: a CV, a statement of interest, ID card, and a letter of recommendation. To apply for this internship, just click on the Apply Now link on the official website of Opportunities Circle. The link to this website is given in the description section of this video. You can just click the link and you will be redirected to the OIST internship application page. So after clicking on Apply Now, you have to create an account. To create an account, you have to add in your email address, your first name, your last name, and the CAPTCHA. And then click on Create New Account. After clicking on Create a New Account, a welcome message with further instructions has been sent to your email address. Please check your email. This is the email that you will receive on your email address. Click on Activate Your Account. And then you will be redirected to the Reset Password page. Click on Login. Here your email address will be displayed. You have to set a password and confirm that password. You have to add in your picture and add in your first name and last name and then click on Save. After setting your password, you have to click on Open Campus menu on the top left corner of the screen. On this, click on My Dashboard to move forward. On this page, you will see two options: Apply for PhD program and Apply for Research Internship. Select Apply for Research Internship. Your application process will start. You have to add in your basic information, your permanent address, supporting information, education history, area of scientific interest, duration of your visit, your interest in OIST, and your travel information. First, let's see basic information. In this section, you have to give your biographical information, your given name or the name printed in your passport, your family name printed in your passport. Sections that are not starred are not necessary. Then you have to give details about your gender, your date of birth, and your citizenship. Then you have to give details about your permanent address, your country, your street address, your city, your region, and your postal code. Moving forward to supporting information, your statement of purpose, your CV, a photograph, valid student ID or certificate of registration, and financial support from third party. None, yes or no. Education history. You have to provide details about your current and past university studies, your institution, country, city, region, dates attended, your level of study, your transcript, your major, and your grade point average. To add another educational field, click on Add Another Item, and same information will be displayed and you can add in the different institution. Area of scientific interest, your research fields of interest, scientific core field, scientific minor fields. List OIST research unit or faculty whose research fields seem closest to your own interest. Faculty of Interest 1, select from the drop-down list, Faculty of Interest 2 and Faculty of Interest 3. Then you have to give details about the duration of your visit, desired duration of visit, start date and then end date, and are your dates flexible, yes or no. Your interest in OIST, you have to answer 3 questions. Number 1. Are you interested in OIST PhD program? Number 2. Do you wish to be kept informed of OIST news? And number 3. If you are not selected for the research internship program, would you like for us to share your information with other divisions at OIST if we determine that your skill set and experience may be a good match for other opportunities at OIST? In the final step, you have to give details about your travel information, your passport number, scanned copy of your passport, do you hold a Japanese visa, nearest major airport, and nearest Japanese embassy consulate to your location. And then you have to go on to disclaimer. You have to read the confirmation, the data policy, reference letter confidentiality policy, and then you must agree to the confirmation statement below in order to submit your application. Click on confirmation and then click on save to submit your application. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and we will be back with more videos.